If WhatsApp calls are not showing on your Samsung Galaxy A17, then in order to try to solve this issue, first of all, we can go to Settings. And over here in Settings, we're gonna go to Apps. There we go. And then we need to find WhatsApp, which should be somewhere over here. There we go. Now in here, first we're gonna go to Notifications, and we want to make sure that we actually allow notifications from the app. Make sure that it is enabled for the lock screen, and perhaps even notification pop-up. And also, you can make sure that the content is visible on the lock screen. If you have this option, just turn it on, because this can actually make a difference. However, most of the time it is actually made just for messages, so if you want to hide WhatsApp messages and that you have on notifications when you receive them, then of course you can turn it off later on. But for now, let's say we can turn it on to see if that helps. There's also configure in WhatsApp, which you might want to do if you have WhatsApp set up in order to find additional notification settings in the app. So make sure that everything is set up properly over there. And then we also have permissions. Of course, we need to grant all these permissions that we have over here. Maybe not all of them, but most of them. Like for example, we can enable call logs. We can go to contacts if you want to. There's also the microphone, of course, which I'm gonna enable as well. Nearby, maybe not this. This is, I think, not really necessary, but phone definitely needs to be enabled, and SMS. Now, most likely, most of these permissions are actually allowed in your case, but in case they are not, then of course you need to make sure that they are allowed. You can also enable all of them if you want to. There is also Manage App if unused, which removes permissions if you don't use the app, which can also be the reason why it stopped working. So for the future, you can just turn it off to prevent removing these permissions. All right, so besides that, what you can also do is make sure that the lock screen notifications are, for example, enabled for WhatsApp at least, which it is something that we have done already in the app settings. But in addition to that, we can go to notifications over here. And here we have lock screen notifications. And for example, if you have hidden content, then this can be the reason. So if you hide all the content, then of course you can miss that. But if we have shown content, then over here we can also hide content specifically for the individual apps. So you might want to at least enable for now to see if it makes any difference. And that should be it. Also, there's Do Not Disturb mode, which when enabled, you won't see calls on the screen. Not only WhatsApp calls, but also phone calls as well, so you might want to check if it's not enabled. But that should be pretty much everything. Last but not least, of course, you can just uninstall the app and install it again. So you can remove it from your phone, go to the Play Store and install it again to have a fresh new setup again. Or you can even clear the storage of the app. So let's actually go back to apps and let's open WhatsApp. And over here, if you go to the storage, you should be able to clear data and cache. And most likely you will be signed out of your account, so you will have to sign in again. But this might be quite helpful as well. So I hope that video helped you. And thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.